Try it again. You're just gonna push it. Keep your helmet on. Keep your helmet on. You could hurt your head. Leave it on there. Smith, the last time that you didn't have a helmet on, you hurt your head. Leave it on. Where are you going? Come back. Come back. Come back. You can get hurt out there. Come back to mommy. Okay, you little booger.